Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chinese World. Today I am going to share my video of festival land created in Rola Cornish, Sharjah. If you are living in Rola or near to this place, you can come in your weekdays at night. It is a free entry to all the peoples and normally it starts at around 7 p.m. at evening. Nowadays it is a mini vacation for children in UAE, meaning that summer festival lands are created in Ajman, Dubai and even in Sharjah. This festival land is created in Rola Cornish Beach. It has parking facilities to around 45 to 50 vehicles and more than that, and also it is a free parking. At the entrance we have the small shops where we can have tea, coffee with small snacks. Then this is jogging track where people come in the morning to have the joggings, walking and to do the exercise. Even in the evening the people come to do so. Then we have the beach side of this festival land. This is the entrance channel where temperature for COVID are checked for each people before entering the festival land, and we have to maintain the COVID protocols inside. This is like a small shopping market for women and girls. There are many things to buy here like kurtas, nighties, leggings. Then we have bed sheets and many more for just between 25 to 30 dirhams. Then we have abhayas and hijab for Muslim women at around 100 to 150 dirhams. This is a shop where we get facial cream, face wash and many facial items, mainly ingredients of shea butter and cocoa butter, which they say that it is good for skin. This is a part of that shop where they design the beautiful mehendi in the hands with main ingredients of cocoa butter. We can call this place a mini global village of Sharjah. There are many shops here to buy. Mostly there are cloth items to buy here. Apart from that, we have shops which sell the spray items. Then we have the small food shops like shawarma shop, chicken barbecue shops, then burger shops and many more. This is a chicken barbecue shop.
Chicken barbecue. Chicken kebab fresh. Chicken kebab fresh بس. ولا بس chicken barbecue. Chicken مشاكيك kebab.
It's only 10 dirhams per stick. It's very tasty and we can utilize it as a lollipop. Very tasty to eat.
Thank you.
This is a small stall where we have chocolates, then wafers, then many varieties of sweets to eat as a snacks, and many variety of food items. This is a burger related shops. There are other food stores, and best part is there is facility to sit and eat for families. This is spray shop where he is offering variety spray of 6 packs in 100 dirhams. Here in this tent, they used to change the items like early when we came here at around 2 to 3 months before. It was the sale of kitchen appliances, children toys, then shoes, sandals and many more. Now they are set for clothes and shoes, and that's also not that much costly. It's between the prices between 5 to 30 dirhams. Here comes a play area set for children. In some of this, even adults can sit and enjoy. The prices of these rides are between 10 to 20 dirhams, not that much costly. There are many types of rides here like horse rides, dragon ride, road rides, then happy festivals at set area for children, then artificial boat ride and many more. It's just between 10 to 25 dirhams. This type of 2 to 3 rides is beautiful to view, but when we sit it is like our head is circulating. Actually, I have taken such a ride in similar items in my childhood, so I have experienced it. This is a horse ride. Normally we see that in this rides only children can sit, but here there is a round item in this horse ride where an adult can also sit and enjoy. This is a very smooth ride for children to enjoy. This is a road ride. There is not much public in this ride. This is a happy land created for children. There are many playing items inside this happy land. Here the adults are not allowed to go inside. Also the floor is spongy, so there is no worry that children will get hurt. Then this is a small boat ride, artificially created, where adults can also sit along with their children. There is also a long artificial boat ride like a swing, which you can see in this video further. This is like a flying bus. Make sure that in this adults should sit with their children for safety, as it looks little danger ride. This is a dragon ride, which I like the most in all these rides, and also love to sit in this ride. This is that big boat ride, artificial created, which I was talking earlier. It is like we are sitting in a boat in high sea waves. It is also good to enjoy this ride. We can also go to the beach. It is in the side of this festival land. Enjoy the beautiful fresh cool air from the waters and waves. It is not necessary that in holidays or weekends only you can come here, as it is a summer vacation for children. You can come even in your weekdays, like you can come at around 8 to 9 p.m. at night, spend little time here and can go home. So please come with your family and enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get my updated videos.